We mounted the kayak to the boat and off we went.
So getting out early in the morning, mixing it up with the fleet, trolling the lines behind, mooching a little bit with the crocodiles, not chewing bait today.
Spike begins his troll in 100 feet of water. His croc on a 1-pound ball remains at about 80 feet. He's paddling at a rate of approximately 2 miles an hour. It wasn't long before Spike hooked up.
Oh man, it's a jumping salmon.
And off he goes for another, back on the troll.
We're out here targeting California barracuda. The salmon bite has really dropped off from what it was this morning, but the log barracuda are chewing real nice. And it's just been, oh my goodness, one after another. Back on the troll. Gonna get some more barracuda. Common bonuses to fishing for the king salmon in Southern California is the California barracuda. Today there were a lot of big logs pushing 30 inches and more. Fish are great for the smoker and a real treat we look forward to and we don't get every year.